Hello, class of 2020, and welcome to your third week of STEM Fair Prep. This week, you should be doing the recording of your Prezi video and collaborating with your teammates. The STEM Fair is May 28th from 9:30 until noon, and your videos are due by May 14th, which is coming up quick. So let's talk about where we should be. If you have not done the past couple of assignments, you haven't watched those videos, you haven't got everything ready, it's okay. You can go back and do those. But let's talk about briefly what those should have been. The first assignment, which was assigned during the week of the 20th, was you gathering up your information. So you should have gathered up all the information about your project, your project plan, and all the research you did, et cetera, et cetera. You have all that information online. So gather up all that information, identify what information you don't have, review the rubrics that you're going to be judged on during the STEM fair, and start making your 3D model. If you need more details about that, go back into Canvas and look during the week of the 20th, and you'll find a video explaining all that. Then the following week, you're preparing and scripting that information, writing a script for your Prezi video, completing your 3D model, and gathering up any information that was missing. Once again, if you need that video, go back on Canvas, it's still up there. This week, you're going to be recording and coordinating your response to the judges. So recording your Prezi video, preparing for judges' questions, and uploading your videos for comments. And then next week will be the final submission week. You'll be putting your videos up to YouTube so that they can be reviewed and putting the final touches on anything that you need. And so let's talk about how you record and collaborate for this week. First thing is, let's collaborate with your team members. Make sure all of your team members understand what's being presented. Your grade will be based on this presentation. Everybody has to participate in the Q&A session at the STEM fair. So make sure you've had some time to collaborate with your team members and that all of your team members are on board for this STEM fair. The next thing is recording your Prezi. If you're not sure how to make this Prezi and how to record this Prezi, look under Canvas. In the week of 4-6, I put up some videos about how to make a Prezi and how to record a Prezi, just like I'm doing here. I'm using Prezi to make this little presentation for you. You have little bubbles that are coming in and out of the screen, so you can do that same thing. It's pretty easy to do. I know that you're not all together, so one person might want to record the Prezi. You also might want to collaborate and have one person record part of it and another person record a different part of it, and then put those together into a single video. Use the script that you've created. Your videos should be 6 minutes long, maybe a little less, maybe a few seconds more, but not very much outside of that 6-minute range. If you need video editing software, once you get your video made on Prezi, there's some free versions available, or I can help you out because I have some video editing software as well. Once you've recorded it, I want you to collaborate again. Get back on the phone or on Microsoft Teams or however you do videos and collaborate with your team. Make sure everybody has watched the video and that they're comfortable with the presentation. Practice using Microsoft Teams for conference calling. When we do the STEM fair, we are going to use Microsoft Teams for the Q&A session with the judges. So you need to be familiar with how to get into Microsoft Teams and join a conference call on Microsoft Teams. If you're not sure how to do that, then log in to one of my Microsoft Teams conference calls, or call me, or text me, or send me an email, and I'll give you instructions about how to do that. Practice using YouTube for comments, for responding to comments. We're going to post your videos up on YouTube. The judges are going to watch them on YouTube, and they're going to write in comments, and your job is going to be to respond to those comments. What else? If you need help, if you're not sure what you're doing, you're falling behind, you just need somebody to talk over everything that needs to get done, then join my conference calls, check Canvas for the links, or call or text me. There's my number. Please don't wait till the last minute. I don't want to get a bunch of calls on the 13th because I'm not going to have time to help everybody. Start working on it now. If you need help now, call me now. Get on my conference calls now. We can work on this together. You can get this done. This is not super hard to do because you've got all the information. It's a matter of creating a video and making your Prezi. It's going to be fine. You guys are going to do great. You've done a lot of work all year. I really want to be able to show off the work that you've done. So good luck. Log in, and remember, the STEM Fair is May 28th from 9:30 to 12. Stay tuned to Canvas for details about how we're going to make that work. Good luck.